Hello guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review for Volkswagen Golf 7 special head unit. Okay, this box come multimedia player Golf 7. You can check the box. GPS antenna. Okay, this is head unit. Let me show the harness. You can check this is harness. This is original USB. Factory USB cable. I need to remove this unit. This is USB. Okay. This factory interface plug. Golf 7 power cable. Okay, this is canvas box. Come with head unit. Okay. The head unit comes with GPS antenna. And this audio cable. 2 USB and the external microphone. Okay, this is radio antenna. Okay, external microphone. Camera in. This is an AUX cable. Okay. This is Android 8.0 Oreo, special for Golf 7. Okay, you can check this is 10.1 inch special for Golf 7 2013 year to 2015 year. 10.1 inch. Okay, let me open the plastic. Drive agent. Okay, you can check. This is 10.1 inch. Its GPS gets card microphone, built-in microphone. Reset this button. Okay, you can check. This is for left driving. This radio port, Wi-Fi antenna, and GPS antenna port. You can check this. Back of. Okay. .1 inch. Okay, let me connect power cable. voltage button lights were on, and you can take out this screw protector before using. You can custom this logo. Okay, this is UI, and very fast. You can install wallpaper from OEM. Okay, it built the vehicle. When you connect the CAN bus and install this head unit, it will show you original info. This have control setting. You can set a control setting. It's drive mode and the control setting here. It supports original radar system, radar packing sensor. Okay, built in Google Play Store, Google Maps. Okay, if you have any more questions, let me show these settings. You can check the model is PX5 octa-core, Android version is 8.0, which okay. You also can change this button color. In car elements, you can change the red, blue, original yellow. Also can adjust in here with blue. Built-in Wi-Fi. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact us, belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay, thank you.